Guys, it's 1 a.m. right now. We have another late night recovery at Rancho. Saturday night, Friday night, Saturday night. Somebody's always stuck out there, but I was literally laying in bed, about to go to sleep, and I pulled up the Rancho Mafia page. Dude is stuck. I guess a bunch of people have tried it. We're gonna be there in like 20 minutes. Bro, there's still a freaking party out here. What the heck is going on? Saturday night Rancho. Wow, I was not expecting this. I was expecting, oh, there's a car stuck right here in front of me. Why are you trying to take your Prius out here, bro? Oh, there's one stuck right there too. What the actual heck? Whew. All right, the homie came up to meet me. I don't know if I've ever been down this trail. Let's see what we got over here. Oh boy. Oh, that doesn't sound good. This Jeep is so big that it's hard to fit through some of these trails. We got a big old tree down right here. We barely made that. I forgot to bring my damn Sawzall. I gotta keep that in the Jeep at all times. We got the homie Dylan out here. Let's see what we got. Oh, he's in there.
I didn't really want to
What's up, guys, dude?
Yeah.
Shoot,
I didn't really want to meet this way, but I mean...
It happens to the best of us.
Listen,
Dude.
I backed into the ditch. It pulled me out of the ditch. I had
Oh, yeah.
four-wheel drive. And
Damn, dude. Let me get out and look at this thing.
There ain't no really good
Toe point. Yeah, that's the issue.
There's a deep hole over there and a ditch right here.
Oh, man.
Shoot. Been there for about an hour.
Yeah, that's tough.
Sucks good now.
That's tough, dude. So, is there like a plug-in tow package on the back? Do you have like a 2-inch little hook?
It has a thing.
I got a tree saver.
Yeah, we'll have to
Yeah,
anchor up and winch it.
I'm already hooked up to it right now, but
Okay.
we gotta add. Oh, good.
Broke the smoker on it, dude. That sucks.
Hey, it still works. It ain't broken.
It still works. Broke the tow package. All right, we're looking over here. See, there's really, yeah, it's all deep, dude. Holy crap. Holy crap. All right. Try and get him up here. Try and get more over that way, Mark. You want to be like 10 feet over.
I got no brakes.
Oh, yeah. Guess I got no brakes. Those beadlocks on that, the Toyota emblem on it. That's cool. It's a good looking rig right here. Trying to get it positioned up there. There it is. Almost. Oh, there's a stump right here. Oh, that's. I think there's a big stump right there, but that might work. Maybe come back over just a couple feet this way. Yeah, you're on it. Hold on. Well, actually, I think it might have pushed it over. No, it's still there. You're good right there. Just leave it there and we'll hook it up. That's a good spot. Let's see, we probably had to put a block on that. We got this thing anchored up. Yeah, we can try it. If it bogs down the winch, then we'll snatch block it.
I pulled that.
Axle strap, soft shackle, toe strap. You want to try and jump it and get it running?
That'd be best if you can.
Get a little bit of power on it.
You think you have to bring it in the water long?
Motor's out of the water, ain't it?
Well,
Or not?
It died in the water though.
It died in? All right, let's see what happens. Just pulling it in. All right, you're tight. Nice and easy. Just bump it. Let it sit for a second. Don't keep winching. Hold on. Let it hold tension. It's moving. And then click it. Just click on, click off. Yeah, you're good. It's moving. You just don't want to overpower the winch. You want to let it sit for a second, then click on, let it sit. Yeah, she's good. Good. Yep. Good deal. She's coming. Good thing it's got a good tow point on it, dude. 'Cause half these things, it's all, if you got a solid tow point, we can get them out every time. Dude, it is caked up with crap in there. Look at all that junk. Damn.
Hey, get in there. Look at the wheel. See if you can get it to start.
It ain't gonna start without being jumped.
Good, jump it.
Have a jump box or something.
Yeah, I got a box we'll plug on it.
Jump box is in the fucking passenger side.
Oh, is that, dude? That sucks.
If we jump it, that's all we got.
Yeah, we'll get it going. If not, we'll tow it out of here. Solid. There we go. Good old Yoda putting in work. All right, let me grab a jump box. We're like scooping all the mud out of this thing. Whole inside's just filled with junk. Yes, sir. We're back. Good deal. That jump box came in clutch a couple hundred times. Once again, big shout out to Flex, hooking us up with the impact and the light, dude. This thing, I've been using it like crazy for these night recoveries. Now we gotta see if we can back up just a little bit, get some, there we go. Good enough, good, good, good. All right, well, that was a quick little video for you guys, just a little recovery. They only needed me for the tow strap. They didn't have an extra strap to anchor to that tree, and as soon as they were able to anchor, we could winch it right out. So more than happy to help go out there. And yeah, tons of fun. But I wanted to remind everybody that we do a power box giveaway about once a month now. So just drop a comment on any video. It is US residents only. You get entered to win a kinetic rope, soft shackle, hard shackle, tire repair kit, shovel. It's a whole recovery kit that we call the power box. Again, if you want to be entered to win, drop a comment on any 4x4 rescue video. We will pick a random winner once a month. Also, don't forget that we run all the 4x4 rescue Facebook groups. It's not just a YouTube channel. We have a volunteer-based recovery group for every single state. Search your state's name with 4x4 rescue at the end, and then you can go help out on these recoveries. Or if you ever get stuck, just post on there and somebody will come help you for free. And lastly, we have 4x4 rescue decals, all different shapes and colors, sizes. These are available on shop4x4rescue.com.